This isn't a normal review. It's how well does the 4060 overclock, how easy is it, and is it worth it? If you already know how to overclock, you can just skip the next 30 seconds and get straight to the fun part. If you want to try this yourself, it's simple. Open a game or benchmark in windowed mode, max out the power and voltage sliders in Afterburner, push the core clock up until you hit your target or until it crashes. Then when it does, back it off 20 to 30 megahertz and lock it there. Then do the same with memory and you're done. And that is the 4060 ProArt. Now, offsets don't matter because every card is different, but if you just aim for 3100 megahertz, it's the clocks that count. As for the overclocking review, don't.